In 2025, deep in Detroit, General Motors introduced a machine designed not just to perform, but to redefine what an American performance car can be. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X. Megan Daly, Corvette's marketing lead, described it simply as America's true hypercar. The ZR1X blends the fury of the twin-turbo ZR1 with the advanced hybrid tech from the E-Ray. Together, they form a car capable of producing 1,250 horsepower, with electric all-wheel drive and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Part 2. The power beneath. At the core of the ZR1X is the LT7 engine, a 5.5-liter, flat-plane crank V8, twin-turbocharged and hand-built. It produces 1,064 horsepower on its own, sent to the rear wheels. To complement that, a front-mounted electric motor delivers an additional 186 horsepower, powering the front wheels. The system works in harmony to create a total output of 1,250 horsepower and 973 lb-ft of torque, offering instant traction and explosive acceleration. The hybrid setup also introduces advanced features like regenerative braking, intelligent torque vectoring, and even a push-to-pass mode, typically found in race cars. Part 3. Performance beyond expectations. Top speed, 233 miles per hour, 375 kilometers per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour, less than 2 seconds. Quarter mile, under 9 seconds. Horsepower, 1,250. Torque, 973 lb-ft. Each of these numbers positions the ZR1X far beyond traditional benchmarks for American sports cars. The engineering behind them reflects the highest level of automotive design currently achieved by GM. Part 4. A Corvette like no other. Since its debut in 1953, Corvette has evolved through many generations. But the ZR1X represents a significant leap, both in philosophy and in performance. It's a showcase of what's possible when combustion and electrification work together for speed and control. The design of the ZR1X even pays tribute to Corvette's legacy. The coupe version features a split rear window, reminiscent of the iconic 1963 Stingray. Part 5. The road ahead. ZR1X joins the most expansive Corvette lineup ever, now 5 models strong. From the base Stingray to this latest hybrid beast, GM is offering a range that stretches from accessible to extraordinary. Every ZR1X will be built in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and while pricing is not yet official, early estimates suggest a starting point around $200,000. Compared to European hypercars in the same performance bracket, the ZR1X offers an alternative that delivers similar capability, engineered with American ingenuity and boldness. Closing. The Corvette ZR1X delivers numbers and capabilities once thought out of reach for a car from Detroit. With cutting-edge hybrid technology, ferocious power, and refined control systems, GM has moved the Corvette into a new class of global performance vehicles.